Welcome, today I am with Realme C31 and I want to show you 5 camera tips. So the first, we are going to start from the zoom feature. So as you can see, currently we got only 1x, and you can for sure zoom by pinching the screen like that with your 2 fingers. And right now we are able to zoom to it 4 times. So you can see when you make it like that, a little bit slower, you will find this slider, right? But that's also another way how we can zoom. Basically, we have to go for the settings and we have to find volume key function, and we have to switch from the shutter to the zoom. Take a look right now. We can click volume down, volume up to smoothly zoom in, and volume down to zoom out. Okay, so that's the way how we can use zoom in this smartphone. And right now we can focus on taking photos. So basically you can just take a photo by tapping on this shutter. And that's very obvious, everybody knows that, but you get also 3 additional methods. So the first one, it will be also linked with the volume buttons. So as default, it's set up on the shutter. So normally when you press the volume up or down, you can take photo like that with both volume buttons. When you go for the settings, you can find another option. It's called touching photograph. Click right here, go back, click on the screen, and as you can see, the photo was taken. And the last option will be also in the settings. It's called the smile shutter. So right now, when you enable this option, and when our phone detects smile, it will automatically take photo. Okay, so that's all from taking photos. Right now, let's go for the more modes, where you can find filters. That's the mode, and right here we can find a couple of the presets. As you can see, they change the color and the temperature. And for example, if you want to take photo with this, it's called winter, so we have to select and click on the shutter. As you can see, the photo was taken. Let me just enable the automatic screen rotation. Okay, and as you can see right now, the photo looks different from this one. So yeah, that's how it's done. That's how you can use this mode. And to turn it off, just click here. And also, if you want to change the brightness level on the photos, click on the screen, but you have to remember to turn off this touching photograph option. Yeah, so one more time, click on the screen and move the sun icon to the right or left to decrease or increase brightness level. As you can see, it works like that. Okay, so right now we are going for the last option, and we'll find it right here. It's countdown duration. So we can add small delay to our shutter. It will be useful for you, for example, when you get the photos on the tripod. So right now you click on the shutter, and after 10 seconds the photo will be taken, so you have enough time to go around, stand, take a pose, smile, and just enjoy the group photos with your friend, for example. Okay, so basically that's all for this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.